Welcome back to my HMO project, guys. This is week number 6 and come and check out the progress. As you can see, there's no painting that's gone on here, but that bit don't earn us money, so I don't really care at the moment, but it will be getting done for sure. And ta-da! Check out all right, we're not quite there yet, but I have got a few surprises when we do go upstairs. Pretty much we've given it another bit of coat of paint. Radiators are there. There's actually a little slight leak over there, so I'm gonna have to get that sorted, but I've contracted that out to one guy. The fire alarm system's all done over here, guys. So yeah, everything's looking all sort of similar. However, my kitchen's practically done. End panels here, end panels over here done, ready to put my washing machines in, the composite sinks in, the plumbing's all done down there with the water pipes. You know, my boiler's been covered. Check that out, guys. Boom, soft closing. Really happy with this. This is ready just to be dropped in. I've cut in the hole for the cooker already, guys. Oven's all in. Really proud of that. Come on, I'm gonna show you something really cool and quirky. Have you ever tried, like, how much would it cost you for a loft conversion? 45 grand? 50 grand? Yeah, for what, a 12 square meter room? But check this out, boom. 2.5 grand. How about that? 4 meters by 3 meters, 12 meters squared. So I've got another new room out here, guys. If I wanted to be quirky and wanted a shower room in here or a toilet, I could have put a drainage pipe going from underneath here and bring in water pipe, but it's not for that purpose at all. I'm actually have put in electric. I'm gonna run in sockets all along the wall. I'm gonna put a ceiling light on here and a floodlight for outside. I'm gonna put some insulation, plasterboard on, paint it up, same white flooring as the house. So I'll put 18mm ply first of all down, which will make this soft floor a lot harder, and then lay my 12mm flooring. So actually another 30mm, which will make it really solid. I actually had to do some makeshifting before this. So you gotta really know what you're doing when it comes to things like this, because my garden actually slopes downwards because it wants the rainwater to go straight to the drain. Now, if you have a shed that's sloping this way, you aren't gonna be able to open your doors because of the weight of it and the angle of it. So before that, I actually had to lay some breeze blocks down. And at the front, you can see there's quite a lot of sand cement. At the back, there's hardly none. And that's now at a level. And so I'm just gonna put a nice piece of fascia board right underneath that to make it look really nice and covered. But it also means we're nice and balanced. And that can be an extra room for me. Nice flooring, decorated, could put a pool room in there, a little chill out room, could be an office space for people who wanna live here. So there's quite a few things. Now for the fun bit, guys. Check this out. Now, I did get slightly delayed on this project purely before the floor went down. The whole floor was like Titanic going up and down. I'm telling you, it was like dipping down where we've taken the chimneys out. So I had to pull up all the floorboards, had to look at all the joists, re-level them, missed the electric pipes, missed the plumbing pipes. My builder actually went straight into a pipe, and yeah, that wasn't really fun, but we've now re-leveled it and we've laid a nice flooring. So now you can get a little bit of a hint exactly what the flooring is going to be looking like. We still need to finish with nice skirting. And do you know how you really tell when the laminating floor has been laid properly? It's when you see the pattern. Look at the lines when the lines meet. Some people just lay it however. It's a little bit more cutting and a little bit more wastage. However, look at the aesthetics of it. Yeah, so here's my bathroom. My tiling's done. My sink's been fitted. A couple of more tiles need fitting. As I said, like the snagging bits need to be done. A little bit of boxing needs to be made. A little bit of skirting, a little box there. But we're there. The toilet, it's working, baby. It's working. Got the nice shower screen here. My electrician's here to fit up my fan. So we're nearly there. And then the very last thing, once we have a nice clean, we'll put silicone everywhere to make sure there's no leaks downstairs. Bit of skirting. How you doing, bro? Again, check that pattern out. As you say, you skip one, look at them lines. That's what you call proper flooring. It actually took me 1 day to do 1, 2, 3 rooms and a little bit of this hallway. So we're nearly there, guys. Here's the office. The rooms are starting to take shape. And it looks like, it doesn't look like it's finished very well, but imagine when there's skirting down. So it looks very rough, but imagine when there's like skirting down, covering them little gaps. It's gonna look, voila, beautiful. Another top tip, you might as well take the doors off because the flooring is 12 mil thick. It means the floor's coming up a little bit more. So them doors are not opening like they were before because it's touching the bottom. These doors have to be taken off, and we need to cut the bottoms of these doors to make sure they can open and close. So I just need a carpenter right now to level a little bit of the flooring downstairs, lay that flooring and do the skirting for the whole house. And then my other builder will be finishing little bits off in the kitchen, adjusting some of the doors, making some little boxes, and also the bathroom, also just a couple of little bits we got to do, some skirting and some boxing there as well. And the very last thing is that project outside. I don't see it taking us very long. It will take us a day to do the flooring, if that. Insulation, we're literally going to take the foil one, staple that on the wall, and just get big boards of plasterboard or ply, whatever sees fit. And then we just need to kit it out. So hopefully on the next video I can show you this whole project finished in the next week or 2, and after that it will be really exciting to show you all of the brand new furniture, the color schemes that we go for, and then taking some nice pictures and getting this on Airbnb. And hopefully some of you will be really interested in that model, because you could essentially rent somebody else's property and do this sort of style of Airbnb yourself with minimal money, in terms of not spending any money on a lawyer, solicitor, getting a mortgage done, stamp duty. Is literally a month's rent and a deposit down with some money for some furniture, and you could do the same model. And hopefully I'll get the opportunity to work with you guys and inspire you. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share this with somebody who really wants to see it. And if you're really interested in property, then as I always say, we are property, and that's the Seanland way.